Hey everybody, I'm Mavis and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you've been here before, you're welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I make my ombre curly, my pink curly FAUX and how I install them. So as we're at it, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. So I used 1 pack of fluffy kinky, 2 packs of extra long Abuja braids, and 1 pack of the pink ombre braids. Like it's pink pretty much. So to make it, I had to use like a stool where I can tie a string onto, where I can now attach the hair to make the FAUX. So as you can see, I am just roughening the hair up, just brushing against the opposite, like brushing against the hair, and then smoothing it so that I can like intertwine into it, as you can see here, pretty much. So I'm gonna do that, what you're seeing right now, throughout the whole braid. Then afterwards I will attach the pink braid and then I'll finish it up. So yeah. So I do that so that I can have a surface to attach the pink braid onto. So here I cut the pink braid into 2 and then add it onto the black hair to create like an ombre look. So then try to mix it up so that it doesn't have like a harsh line of demarcation between the black and the pink. Yeah, and then I intertwine again, once again. Then after that, we'll just brush the hair out now and then seal it into the lock itself. So pretty much that's how I make my locks. Yeah. So this is how I finish my FAUX by using the hairs that I brushed out to seal it into the lock itself, to just, you know, we already formed the base. Now it's just finishing it up to just make it look a little bit neater, but also rough, but not too rough, you know, just how like a lock looks like. And pretty much that's it. Yeah. So the next process is curling the ombre pink FAUX. So you can use 3s if you want tighter curls, but fall into like 2 groups of what is it, 2 groups, like 6 braids if you want not so thin curls or braids. Yeah. And then at the end I attach the flexi rod to give it like nice curls at the end. Pretty much, yeah, pretty much. Now this is what makes the locks curly. Yeah. And then I put them in hot water. They dry pretty quickly, so they're not heavy actually. And then after that, yeah, time for installing the hair. So here you can see that I'm doing like a 3-strand braid, like I did on the rest of my hair. So pretty much you can see what I'm doing right now. Yeah, I didn't want very tiny, you know, locks. I wanted them not so many, not so few. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. So after we're done like pointing the braids, it's now time to install the lock. So here you can see I'm just putting the crochet hook through, and then hook the FAUX that I made through my hair, just the normal process. and then pull both the my braided hair and the lock through the loophole, through the hole or loophole, whatever. And then, yeah, then try to secure it, but make sure it's not too tight. Yeah, so that's how I do it. And then go in with a crochet hook. I want to just conceal my hair, my braided hair, by passing it through the forelock. So after that, that's when now I'll finish the lock off by wrapping it up. Yeah. So to wrap the hair, I use a fluffy kinky in the color number 1, just as the braids that I use to make the forelocks. Then I use it to wrap the hair to just seal the roots and make everything look neat and nice. Yeah, I like the fluffy kinky because it doesn't look, it looks realistic. It looks more realistic than fake. So that's why I like the fluffy kinky as a braid to finish off the forelock. And then pretty much that's it.
Since 1995, growing up, same street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years it would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah. Call you up, how you been? Can we play